Ever wondered how your favorite apps and websites actually work? It's not magic, it's programming. Think of programming as giving instructions to a computer, like a recipe for a cake. But instead of ingredients, we use code. It's a special language that computers understand. There are many different programming languages, each with its own syntax and purpose. Take Python, for example. It's known for being easy to read and is super versatile. You can use it for web development, data science, even artificial intelligence. Or JavaScript, the language of the web. It makes websites interactive and dynamic. Clicking a button, seeing a pop-up, or playing a video? That's JavaScript in action. Programming involves writing sequences of commands, often called algorithms. An algorithm is like a step-by-step guide to solve a problem or complete a task. For example, sorting a list of names alphabetically is a classic algorithm. Programmers use tools called integrated development environments, or IDEs, to write and test code. Think of an IDE as a super-powered notepad with spell check, autocomplete, and error detection. Debugging is a crucial part of programming. It's like being a detective for bugs. These bugs are errors in the code that prevent it from working correctly. When programmers fix these bugs, their code runs smoothly, just like a well-oiled machine. Programming isn't just for tech wizards. Anyone can learn. It's about problem-solving, creativity, and logical thinking. With the right resources and practice, you can build amazing things. Imagine creating your own game, an app to help others, or a website to share your passion. That's the power of programming, turning ideas into reality through code. It's a skill that opens doors to countless opportunities in our increasingly digital world. So, are you ready to start your coding journey?